What's up, y'all? It's your boy K, back with another McBanger, baby, man. And today, yes, sir, day 3, vlog 3, Vlogmas, third episode, everything like that. So, man, today we're about to be doing another car YouTuber, automotive YouTuber reaction video. And today we get vehicle versions. Number 3, vehicle versions. Parker. So let's get into it. You know what I'm saying? This reaction is him and his Huracan racing a plane, a fighter jet. So let's see what's going on with this one right here. That low key sounds super fun, super interesting. I love to do that, bro. Have a Lamb or a Ferrari and race that joint. Let's see. Ooh, that blue Ferrari look crispy though. The Lamb too though, but that Ferrari hitting different though. It gotta be that color. A stunt plane. You about to race that boy. That'll be dope, bro. Yeah, that Ferrari shining. But that's for sure something you should put on the bucket list. Well, something I want to put on my bucket list. Race a plane in a car. That could be dope. That boy living life. That's sweet how he got that on the steering wheel, bro. Show you when to switch gears. That's crazy. You can see the raw carbon fiber in the inside of the Lambo. I don't like that rag top though. That boy looking real cheesy. That Ferrari crispy. That tail lights on that Ferrari type kind of like the Ford GT. Man, what y'all think? Y'all think he go win or lose? He might lose though. It is a plane, but still though, like the experience alone, it's game changer. You feel me? Game changer. This is Lamborghini Huracan Evo versus Stunt fighter plane. All right, he's starting off in a Lambo. Oh, he doing it though. Shut up. That plane go get it though off top. Yeah, they was neck to neck for a minute though. That's crazy. That plane getting down on you. That plane getting down. Bro, imagine how much fun this is, dog. Yeah, whoever whipping that plane going crazy. Flying that Lambo, though. That's dope. Alright, I ain't gonna lie. I want to see how it's gonna be in the Ferrari, though. Tight about to fast forward it. Look like he in Vegas somewhere. He always be out there shooting some dope content. That's sweet though. Alright, so he looked like he putting up the Lambo. Next up, the Ferrari 812 Superfast. Let's see what this thing can do. We in that super back now. That joint crazy. That Ferrari looks so crazy.
Alright guys, race 1 versus the trick planes. I'm so pumped right now. It's pretty clear.
Bro, how he be getting these connects, bro? This boy be living.
Alright guys, here we go. Fighter plane versus Ferrari.
Already about to get it. The Ferrari, let's see how this Ferrari do. This boy crispy. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna give it to the Ferrari for like a few seconds. Then the plane, of course, gonna take off. He looked too serious. He focused. So I was about right.
3, 2, 1, go.
There you go. Yeah, the Ferrari neck to neck with that joint for a minute though. Then the plane taken away. That's a long little street that he on. I ain't see no traffic on that boy. Yeah, he's stabbing that boy. That's crazy. He really be driving his cars, man. That's another dope thing about his channel. He be pushing them boys. I was watching him way back when he was in Michigan. And he was tagged up with Eddie X. He be making good videos too. So yeah, man. Sadly, of course, you already know who was gonna win a plane for sure. But I'm feeling this this Ferrari fastback. This boy's sweet. That color. You know what I'm saying? And just overall, low-key, that's super fun. Something fun to do. Like, why wouldn't you want to race your car versus a plane? It's going crazy. I'm low-key about to skip through some of this. Because he ain't talking about nothing. He got all this B-roll in here.
That had to be one of the craziest things I have ever done on Vehicle Virgins. Guys, if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, smash that subscribe button, hit that like button.
Yeah, y'all go over and subscribe to his channel, man, if y'all haven't. And make sure y'all subscribe to mine if y'all haven't either. You feel me? Thumbs up on all these videos. This is day 2 of, wait, no, day 3. I'm tripping. Day 3 of Vlogmas. You feel me? I'm going all the way up to Christmas or maybe New Year's Eve. You never know. I might drop 25 videos. Might drop 31. You never know. But I'm going to go ahead and end this right here, man. Thanks for watching. Leave me a thumbs up. Share with all your people. Browse all the other videos on my channel because I got a lot. So y'all can catch up on me, my personality, whatever, however. You feel me? I'm going to see y'all day 4 of Vlogmas. Peace.